Hello and welcome to another video of ADHDers. So recently I bought a big pile of stuff off of AliExpress to help me do some of my repairs. So what I'm going to do now is unbag it all to show you what I've got, what it's for, and there will be a couple of bits of it that I will be doing product reviews on in the future, so keep your eyes out for that. Let's see, so first of all is this little package here. Fortunately all came in dribs and drabs, so it's not all in one big package, but hopefully it's all come. So I think this is, yep, what this is. These are for reballing chips. So I've got an Xbox 360 that needs reballed, and I'm going to plan to do that because these are for different games consoles. There's PlayStation, there's Xbox 360, various other chips and whatnot in there. So that's what that's for. Alright, next. Ha 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 ha. Right, so this is for the Xbox clamp, the X clamp. This tool just sort of, you just pry it in and it helps you get it out. If you had seen the video that I was working on the Xbox Scorpio, you'll notice that I didn't have one of these. I had a tool that looked similar to it, but it wasn't quite as big here, so it didn't fit. So this will definitely come in handy when I go to reball the Xbox. Hopefully it's right, because I thought I'd ordered one before and some other tool came through. I don't even know what it's for, but hey ho, I'm sure I'll find a use for it at some point. Now, this one I'm quite excited about because, oh, there we go. I think it's the extraction fan. It's like an extraction fan for when I'm soldering. It is. So that's cool. Again, got this on a whim. I think it cost roughly £12 including postage. So, you know, it's quite cheap, but I have seen other people using one the same, and if it's not the same, it's certainly very similar. So I'm hoping that even although it is cheap, it will do the job and we won't have any issues, and it will definitely help help me from choking or putting up with the fumes from soldering, etc. There we go. So that's it there. So, and I will be doing a review on this definitely once I've used it, because this will definitely come in handy when I'm doing the Xbox reballing. I'm going to be doing that very soon, hopefully within the next few weeks. Although I do have a lot coming up at the moment, as I'm nearing the end of college. Currently doing an HND in computer networking and cyber security. So I've got my project to hand in, and that's going to eat up a lot of my time, obviously. So over the next few weeks, unfortunately, I might just be sort of wee quick videos, just to keep the ball rolling, so you know that I'm still here and I haven't left you. Right. Let's see. That's enough. There we go. So what's this? Ah, this is a mod chip for an Xbox. So this isn't going to be the one that I'm reballing, I don't think, although it might be. But yeah, so we're going to do an Xbox mod in the future as well, so that's come through. It's fantastic. Oh, I think this might be the precision screwdriver set. It is. I got an electric precision screwdriver set. Again, I can't remember how much this was. I will be doing a product review on it. Because there's times where you're doing a lot of unscrewing and your hand does cramp up. So I thought I'll get one of these, probably save it a bit of time and a bit of pain. And hopefully it's as good as it looks, because it came with, it looked quite good. The reviews looked pretty good on it as well. So it looks pretty smart, doesn't it? Just as it is at the moment. Let's see if we can open it up now. There we go. So there we have the electric component, electric screwdriver bit. Got a few different bits. Obviously, bits have come out. I mean, that's bound to happen. Now, I don't know if you can see. You can see that one's bent. Now, I'm not sure if that is meant to be like that, or if the machine hasn't actually finished taking the tip off, or what it is. But I'm sure we'll find out in the near future, because we have plenty to look at. So at the moment, I'm just going to stick these bits in where there are sort of missing ones, and I'm going to go through it all properly, obviously, to make sure that they're in the right places, because it will drive me up the bloody wall if they're not actually where they're meant to be. So I think these actually should be over here, sort of thing, instead of in there. Oop. I'm not actually sure what this is for. Oh, I wonder if that's a demagnetizer, because it's got a plus here and a negative here. Anyway, but so far, I mean, it looks like a pretty good kit. It's got lots of additional, it's got lots of bits for it, so that's always a plus. Good thing is, comes with a couple of wee other tools as well, and obviously a charging cable, and those wee bits for getting your SIM card out, or your memory card sometimes is also in that. Some, is it sprudgers called? Spudgers, whatever. But yeah, so it's overall it looks like a nice wee kit, and like I say, I'll do a proper review on that once I've actually used it, which I'm looking forward to. I'm sure it'll be well worth it, and I'll obviously put in the comments links and stuff like that when I'm actually doing the product reviews for the individual products, for where I got them and costs, etc. So we'll just put this over to one side now. Put that in here. Excuse me. Fantastic. So although I'm putting that away in the wee bag for now, so I can put it to one side, nice and tidy, because let's face it, it will probably live on my workbench out of the box. It'll probably never see this box again once I actually start using it. Oh, right. So, there we go. What we got in here? Okay, box is a bit bashed, that's not good. For PlayStation 2 too slim. It is a replacement laser lens. Hopefully it's still okay, because it is, as you can see, bashed a bit. So let's see where's the opening for it, and just have a wee look, because I've got a PlayStation 2 Slim, a silver one, that's not reading discs, so I thought I'd get a new lens for it and see if that will solve the problem. So, I mean, it doesn't look damaged in the packaging, so that's a plus. Again, that will be another video coming up, hopefully in the near future. Let's see what's in here. Oh, right. So I can't remember who it was, but I did see somebody else using these little sponges for cleaning up circuit boards, especially when they were using a lot of flux. Oh my god! See, you can have them. They can have them quite small. Anyway, loads in here. I think these were like £1 or something, £1.50. So, I mean, I'm not exactly sure how many is in here, but it is quite a few. Again, it looked good from what I saw of the video I was watching, which is why I thought I'd give them a shot. Again, we'll see what these are like in the future. Right. Oh, next big pack. Dear God, right, so we've got quite a few here. I'm going to assume that these are boxes. I've got a pile of PSPs. Yep, there we go. So I've got a pile of PSPs that I've bought, as you would have seen in a previous video. Quite a few of them worked. I was very lucky. Some of them didn't, but I'm going to fix them, or at least attempt to fix them. Some of them I actually have already fixed. So I have bought boxes so that I can then sell them on a wee bit nicer than just chucking them out there in like an old shoebox or something. I thought that would be a nicer way to do it. What have we got next? Well, these are little funnels. So I got these because, actually these are just, I think these are going to be absolutely perfect for what I was wanting them for. When I'm obviously working, I use a lot of isopropyl alcohol. When you got a big bottle like this, big that, wee bottle like that, you get it all over the place. So I bought these funnels to just stick on there like that, and then if my hand's not shaking as bad, it would help. There we go. So spilled a wee bit, but definitely a lot better. It would help if my hand wasn't shaking so bad. Probably all the caffeine I've had. Keep getting told I should cut down. I'm probably right. Anyway, so I've got 5 of them. Again, they were dirt cheap. I think about £1 or something. But they appear to be looking like they'll do exactly what is required of them. So I'm not sure what's in here. So let's have a look. Oh, right. Okay. HDMI for what was it actually? I think it's a PS3, possibly a PS4. So I went and got a PlayStation that I knew they advertised as the HDMI was knackered on it, and it definitely was. So I bought a new one, and I will just need to replace that now. So that's good. That's arrived. A couple of bits in here. Let's have a look, see what we've got. These might be more HDMIs, to be honest. Because, yep, so we've got some more HDMIs in here. I don't know if they came from different suppliers, if I'm trying out two different types, or what it was, or if they're for different consoles. Can't remember, because as you can see, I've ordered quite a bit, but I'm sure it'll all come to it. Now, I've ordered a pile of these 64 gig memory cards. I'm going to use these for the PSPs to put the games on them. So I've ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I ordered 6 at the moment just to see if they were any good. If they're actually 64 gig, then great. If not, I'm sure I'll find something else for them, or I'll send them back, whatever. But I thought it was worth a shot at. I think they were a couple of quid each. Here we have some drive belts for Xboxes. I mean, I guess you could probably there's other things that you could use them for that needs drive belts, but they were specifically, as you can see, Xbox 360. So again, we've got a few of them. Going to go through them, get them repaired, and get them moved on. Oh, more discs. I thought I bought more than 6. I actually bought 10. So there we go. We've got another 4. Again, we'll just see how they go. And I think this is last, but certainly not least. I say that now, and it'll probably be like the most boring thing ever. I can't remember what else I was waiting for. I was also waiting for a replacement screen for a Game Boy, but I wasn't just going to do a normal replacement screen. I was going to do sort of the US lit up ones, LED ones or something. But the AliExpress sent me the money back, saying that there was an issue with the seller, so that's fair enough. At least I got my money back. Here we have an Xbox 360 front panel, because I've got a white one where a couple of these bits were either broken or missing or something. So I picked this up. I think it was about £4 or £5, and I'm going to see how it goes. Obviously, it's just a basic, maybe click on, click off. I don't think there's any screws on it actually, so it just looks like it clicks into place. But yeah, hopefully that'll all go well as well. Well, there we go. So that's everything that came. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I shall see you all again. Thanks again. Remember, if you're enjoying the content, please like, subscribe, click on the wee bell button, and that will alert you to any more videos. Cheers again. Ta-da!